everyone. Finally, we are on the conclusion state. Uh, Thanks for connecting with me and engaging with me on this one. And I appreciate your patience and watching this the playlist. Uh, with this, I can conclude this narrative, and that is unveiling the KaneAI and the LambdaTest AI and revolutionizing software test automation narrative. And this is an epic, based on my analysis and read. I just put my thoughts so that it will be useful to the forum whoever is watching this particular blog and this particular the playlist. I believe it's a early stage of KineAI from the Lambda test side, and definitely it has a good feature, and it is going to turn up a better, um, a sound product for the quality engineering along with the software, the testing activities that we pass across through the journey of the software applications delivery for the mobile apps and mobile web applications. Okay, and I must appreciate Lambda Test giving me this opportunity to experience keen AI of their innovative product at early stage, and seeing witnessing new dimension in the delivery of the uh, web applications and mobile applications. And thanks for providing this opportunity. So this particular narrative focused on the web. As soon as Kenya is ready with the app beta, definitely I'm going to add a child story, for this one. At the time, you will have only focused on the Kenya because I already said the background, the current, and the transformation. Now only I will focus on the app Kenya side. Okay, so that's all I have, from this, epic, and you can connect me on my, the channel and my email ID so that I can share my inputs further. Okay, so thanks for watching this entire playlist and connecting with me. Appreciate your support, and we'll meet you again in the next product. Thank you.